Why technology is important. Technology brings processes and tools together, information exchange to promote development for the betterment of mankind. It helps people to solve their problems, reduce excess time, save lives, and help to interact and exchange information. New development in technologies is driving the world and making it more efficient and better. As in 21st century, we are bound with technology in day-to-day activity. Due to this, businesses and industries are spreading globally. Even though they are getting in operation efficiently with ease. The education and communication systems are becoming more advanced. Softwares like Byju's, Vedantu, Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet are changing styles of study and communication. There are so many reasons showing the importance of technology in human life. Technology helps us to reduce the time required to do daily work. Like, we can order food online by using apps on mobile phones. It is one of the great things that no human being can't live without it. It is becoming an integral part of human being life. We all are surrounded by technology in our life. From morning alarm to the switch off the light at night, we are habitual of it. Due to this, humans feel more secure in his day-to-day activities in both personal and corporate life. What is technology? Technology is defined as use of skills, knowledge, process, and technique to achieve a specific objective or goal. The objective or goal is to increase production capacity, scientific investigation, achieve efficiency, and more. In simple words, technology is the advancement in the manual process using machines to achieve good efficiency, healthy life, less effort, and to do work. Importance of technology in various fields. We all are aware of why technology is important for human beings in their life. In ancient times, nothing is like a machine. For every type of work, human beings require to get physically involved. Like a burning fire, cooking food, transportation, farming, etc. After a few decades, human beings started the use of animals for various works like farming, transportation, etc. Inventions of the wheel are the start of the new era of technology. Human starts using new machines which can reduce time to do work. With time, so many machines were getting in action. Human beings getting to know the importance of technology. Following are the fields which show how and why technology is important for human beings in their life. Why technology is important in education. Advancement happening in the education system is outstanding. If we compare our education system from the 19th century to the 21st century, the results are hilarious. In ancient times, people were using ink made by plants and using a brush made by animals' hair. By using this, they make paintings. With time, changes are made. In the 19th century, the education system starts with ink, paper, blackboard, chalk, slate, and pencil. Human being uses this material for writing and painting on notebooks. But in 21st century, the educational system is more advanced. We are now using mobile, laptops, tablets, and projectors instead as study materials. Holographic display is the next advancement in the coming years. In this COVID situation, online classrooms are the latest example of advancement. Students can easily access all kinds of information very easily from Google. Various platforms are there especially for providing knowledge to the students, such as Byju's, Vedantu, White Hat Junior, and etc. Students can also make their websites by taking the best hosting from various sources. Reasons show the importance of technology in the education system. Help to improve the learning experience. It helps to improve the relationship between students and teachers digitally. Students can learn new things with help of it. Helps to increase the knowledge retention rate. It helps to keep students engaged with education. If we are looking at this advancement deeply, this is only happening due to technology. Just think about what will be happening in 22nd century. Importance of technology in communication system. Before a few decades ago, there is no platform available for communicating with a person who is far away from you. You can send a message via post and it takes much time to convey your message. But now the time has changed. If we have looked in business, personal or cultural life, communication plays an important role. Because it connects two distinct peoples who are far away from you. In business, some technological apps like Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, Zoom and Skype play a vital role in office virtual meetings. Employees from two different business units can meet and discuss work-related stuff by using this software. As we know, COVID-19 teaches that keep a safe distance from each other in this pandemic time. This latest communication system plays a great role to keep our life safe. It is only possible due to the development of technology. It is one of the great importance of technology. Importance of technology in security system. The greatest challenge in a security system is to secure our data, money, or any personal thing in a safer place. Technology is also helping to secure our data, money, and many more. There is an advanced locker where you can keep your money safe, which is now open with users' fingerprints, voice commands. In a business environment, it is a difficult task to keep Sage Command data at a safer place. There is one of the advancements known as blockchain technology will keep our data safe in chronological order. Why technology is important in business and industry. In Industrial Revolution 4.0, technology is playing an important role. All industries are becoming smarter by using the latest technology of the computer and network. Mass production becomes very easy, time for output gets reduced, efficiency increased, and many more. There is the use of technology in both small and large organizations. It is so helpful in communication with clients, data management, and research. There is some reason which shows technology is so important in business. It brings the latest machine and robot, which reduces labor work with greater efficiency. So it increases the profit of that organization. It is used to make business more efficient. Making business well organized. All business processes are tracked well with the help of tech. It helps in business security. Transparent communication in business processes. If like the video, please share this and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.